Let's just see if it will tend to change, and yes sir, it is changing. You can see both. Greetings YouTube, welcome back. In today's video, I have free CP and free coins all in Call of Duty Mobile. You can have them just within a few simple steps, guys, by clicking on your phone. Just make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections, which is very important. And now, let me guide you through the full process itself. For starters, I wanna load up Call of Duty Mobile so that we can see if we will get the free CP and free coins in it, guys. So, as you can see, I have a fresh account, but let's just see if it will tend to change, and yes sir, it is changing. You can see both free CP and free coins all in Call of Duty Mobile, and you can get that for both iOS and Android devices. Stick till the end, guys. This is a very easy and straightforward step-by-step tutorial. Just make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Now open up any browser, but search for appspatched.com. On appspatched.com, you will search for Call of Duty Mobile like this. So type in COD like that, and boom, here it is. Tap on the icon. You will now need to enter your username on the game. Select the platform that you're on, of course, between Android and iOS, and then we will select the free CP and free coins that we will see arrive in our account, just like you saw seconds ago, guys. So as mentioned, this will be a very fast, very easy and straightforward step-by-step tutorial, and it will all be worth it by the end of it. You saw it all. So continue to verification, and you will have a step-by-step tutorial right here that you can watch on this last step. After you click here, you will be redirected to that step. So right here, you have two options to choose from. The first option, or a faster option to complete this last step, will be to open up some questionnaires. So you will open them up and you will follow those specifics right there. Answer those questions, and that is how you complete this whole process the faster way. Or you can go ahead and download two apps from the official App Store Google Play Store. So not only download them, but Best Play will ask of you to download and install this app, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. Some other app will ask of you something else, something different. So make sure to read it in the description, complete it that way, and enjoy playing your favorite game, which is Call of Duty Mobile, of course, with the free CP and free coins. Thank you so much for watching, fellas. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.